Mastering transition words for fluent speech. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of speaking clearly and confidently: transition words and phrases. These magical words help you to move smoothly from one idea to another, improving both your fluency and coherence. So, let's get started. Transition words are like bridges. They connect one idea to the next, making sure your listener can easily follow along. Without them, our speech might sound choppy or disjointed. With them, we sound more polished and our ideas flow seamlessly. 1. Addition. Words like moreover, furthermore, and in addition allow you to add more information to your previous point. Example: I love reading books. Furthermore, I have a collection of over 100 novels. 2. Contrast. Words like however, on the other hand, and but introduce a contrasting idea. Example: I love summer. However, I hate the mosquitoes that come with it. 3. Sequence. Words like firstly, secondly, and finally help in ordering points or steps. Example: firstly, prepare your materials. Secondly, study the topic. Finally, take the exam. 4. Cause and effect. Words like because, therefore, and as a result show a cause and effect relationship. Example: it rained heavily. As a result, the event was postponed. 5. Emphasis. Words like in fact, especially, and certainly lay emphasis on a particular point. Example: I like all fruits. In fact, apples are my absolute favorite. 1. Don't overuse them. Although they're great, too many can make your speech sound artificial. 2. Practice using them in sentences. This helps in making them a natural part of your speech. 3. Listen to how native speakers use them in conversations, podcasts, or interviews. It will give you a sense of their proper placement. That's all about transition words for today. Remember, mastering these words will significantly enhance your fluency and coherence. So, practice often, and in no time, you'll be using them like a pro. Until next time, happy learning and stay confident.